Welcome to Chapter 6 in your brand new Volume 2 textbook, Lesson 1, Powers and Exponents. Let's take a look at the vocabulary that we're going to start to see here in Chapter 6. A product of like factors can be written in exponential form using an exponent and a base. The base is the number used as a factor. The exponent tells how many times a base is used as a factor. So basically, when you have a number that's multiplied by itself a bunch of times, you can write it in a different way than writing it out as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. You can write it as 5 to a certain power or the exponent that's there. And the exponent will tell you how many times that base is being multiplied. So in example 1, it asks us to fill out the boxes with the words factors, exponent, and base. So the problem that I have is 10 times 10. I'm multiplying 10 by itself 2 times, and so therefore I can write it as a power with a base and an exponent. So the 10s are my factors. Fill this out with me. And in the other side where I have 10 to the second power, my 10 is my base, because that's the number being multiplied, and my 2 is my exponent, which tells me how many times I'm multiplying my base. So number 2 asks us to give an example of an exponent. If I have something like 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, I can rewrite that as 3 to the 4th power because I'm multiplying 3 times itself 4 times. In this example, 4 is my exponent. So that tells me how many times I'm multiplying the base. Number 3 asks us to write a definition of the word exponent in our own words, so you can choose the best way to do this. If I look back up here, the exponent tells how many times the base is used as a factor. I like to think about it as it tells me how many times a number is multiplied by itself. So you can go ahead and fill that in. I don't think I have enough room. But again, something like that, the exponent tells how many times a number is multiplied by itself.